Children again. Once again, I'm very sorry, children. Due to some network issue, I couldn't complete the recap of my live lecture. Only the recap was there, but I have almost completed all the things which I wanted to teach you. So I'm very sorry for the network issue, but everything I have completed. Also, I will upload the PDF of my notes. Okay, so like the video and subscribe my channel, and again I will come with the good innovative ideas. Okay, thank you. Now I will just show you how the physical change takes place with the help of salt and sugar solution. Let's have a look for that. This is salt. See, fine particles, salt, and this is sugar. Can you see the sugar? See, sugar. Now here I've taken two glasses. It's a transparent glass so that you can see the easily salt and sugar solution, right? Now in both the glasses I'll pour water, and I'll make the salt and the sugar solution. First, in first glass I will add 2 spoons of salt, and in second glass sugar, and with the help of spoon I will stir it to make it solution. So I am showing you simultaneously salt solution and sugar solution. If I will, after dissolving salt and sugar in water, I am going to heat it. Why? Because I want my salt and sugar back, right? So heating is only the option for that, so that the water will be evaporated and you will see the nice particles of salt as well as sugar. So you have to stir it continuously. So the salt will dissolve completely in water. Now here sugar solution also I will stir it continuously so that sugar will dissolve completely in water, and then we have to keep it for heating both the solution, right? See, can you see the sugar has started melting, right? So this is the example of physical change. Now see here, sugar is started melting. So when it will completely dissolve in water, we will pour that sugar and salt solution in another vessel and keep it on the gas stove for heating. Now here salt solution. This I am taking separate video, as I have explained you. Not possible to show you during the live lecture. So you have to watch this video also. Without that, your content will be incomplete. And if you will see, everything will be clear in your mind, right? Now see, the salt is completely dissolved, right? See, there are no salt particles inside. So now I will transfer this salt solution in a small bowl, right? And this container, first of all, I will keep it on the right side of gas stove, so there would be no mistake which would be salt or sugar solution. I'll make the flame low, right? Now here, see, you can hear the pop-up voice, right? Because it has the water has started evaporating. Now simultaneously I'm just showing you whether the sugar has melted or not. Now the sugar has also started melting. Little bit stirring needed. Yes. Now I will transfer this sugar solution also in another pan, and this also I will keep it on the another gas stove which is left of my side, so that there would be no mistake which is sugar solution, which is salt solution, right? And here also, now see, make the flame low and simultaneously I am showing you the salt solution also. See, the water vapor is started. So when the water is boiling, the water vapor is coming out, and you can see when all the water will be evaporated, you will see the fine particles of salt, because on my right side I have kept the salt pan, and on my left side I have kept the sugar solution pan, right? So here also we will stir it. See, it takes time. That is why I am making separate video for that, so that the things will clear to you for the physical change, right? I think your mama must be making this sugar syrup for any sweet dish, especially the thor which we are getting in Srinathji, right? Matdi we call. So the same way she is doing, but at home all physical and chemical changes are going on, but we are not aware, right? Now again I will just stir the salt solution. See, I am showing you simultaneously so that we will not waste our time to show you separately. When you see the actual experiment of that, the things are very easy to understand, right? Especially the physical and chemical change. And other things I will explain you on my live lecture today at 2 p.m. Right? See here, can you see the particles of salt, right? It has got stuck around the wall. See, right? This. Now again, sugar solution. Here also the water is started boiling and the water vapors are coming out. So completely the water will be evaporated. You will see the sugar particles also. That means what is physical change, that I am going to explain you on my live lecture. So we are not getting the new substance. No new substance is formed. That is physical change. Again the salt solution. See, now more salt particles we can see around the wall, right? Because more water is evaporated. It takes some time. And children, you don't do this experiment at home. If you want to do it with the help of elderly person only, you will. Otherwise, no, because that is only I've taken the video of that. Okay. Now again the sugar solution. Make the flame low. I have changed the vessel from right to left, so that I think sugar needed very low flame. That is why I have changed it. See. Salt solution. Now see, clearly you can see the ball has become white with the salt particles from the top inside the ball. See, right? Because the water is evaporating and we are getting back salt particles which was dissolved in water. So this is called physical change. Now again, sugar particles, so sugar syrup. Observe it carefully, children. Okay, see, slowly the water is evaporating and the syrup is becoming thick. In few minutes, few seconds, all the water will be evaporated and we will get back a sugar particles, right? See, it has become thick. By the time see the salt, see, down at the bottom also you will see the salt particles, little bit water is there, right? And here sugar. Now the in salt pen water is completely evaporated, and I will show you by removing the salt particles in another bowl so that the things will get clear to you. Here also now little bit water is there. Yes. By the time, let it be cool, the sugar particles, and now we will transfer this. See, can you see this ball? See, all the sugar particles is stuck inside the ball, right? Salt particles, sorry. See, it is hot, let it be cool. By the time, see, sugar. We need more sugar syrup so that it will easily, the water will easily evaporated and I can show you properly. But in physical change, when you add salt and sugar to the water and when it becomes salt solution and sugar solution, after that you have to keep it for heating. All the water will be evaporating and you will get the fine particles of salt and the sugar. See, this is sugar syrup which I had transferred into a small ball. Now see, it has become thick. After some time, when it will be cool, you will see the nice particles of sugar.